Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change home screen layout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. This is home screen, and see here. If you swipe from the left side to right side, it will show some of the default options, and if you swipe up, then only it will show all apps. Okay, this is the home screen layout as of now. Okay, if you want to change this home screen layout, okay, instead of swiping up, just you can swipe right side, swipe from left side to right side, or right side to left side for opening all apps. Okay, for that layout, just go to the settings, then go to home screen, then go to home screen layout, and here by default it is set to home and app screens. Okay, for home screen, apps also showing. Okay, if you use home screen only, that means all apps will be showing in the home screen swiping. See here, click on apply and go home. See here, all apps are now showing from the swiping in the right side or left side. Okay, swipe up will show nothing. Okay, so in this way you can easily change home screen layout. If you want to change back to default home screen layout, again go to the settings, then go to home screen, then go to home screen layout, and change back to home and app screens. Click on apply. Now it is changed. Okay, if you swipe up, then it will show our other apps. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.